What if I told you guessing is a legitimate mathematical strategy? In school, we're often told to just know the answer. But for some complex problems, the fastest way to start is with an educated guess. This isn't about blind luck. It's called systematic guess and check. Think of it like finding the perfect temperature for a shower. You test it, realize it's too cold, and you adjust. You refine. The strategy has three simple rules. First, make a smart guess. Use what you know about the problem to pick a reasonable starting number. Second, organize your attempts in a table. This is crucial. It stops you from repeating mistakes. And third, analyze your result. Was it too high or too low? That single piece of information tells you exactly which way to adjust your next guess. Imagine a classic puzzle. Two numbers add up to 15, and when multiplied, they make 54. A smart first guess might be 10 and 5. Their sum is 15, perfect, but their product is 50. That's too low, so we need to adjust. Let's try 8 and 7. The sum is still 15, but their product is 56. Now it's too high. We've trapped the answer. We know it has to be between our two guesses. A quick adjustment leads us to 9 and 6. Their sum is 15, and their product is exactly 54. This method works for all sorts of problems, calculating the number of chickens and pigs on a farm or figuring out a garden's dimensions. But it's not a magic bullet. If you find yourself guessing more than 5 or 6 times without getting closer, it might be time for another tool, like algebra. Think of guess and check as your go-to rescue strategy for when you're stuck without an obvious formula. Ultimately, this strategy transforms how you see problems. It's a powerful reminder that a wrong answer isn't a failure, it's a clue. It's the logical process of guessing, checking, and refining, turning each attempt into a step closer to the solution.